Hey guys, we received this Comfytemp large knee ice pack wrap with the two gel or soft and cold pack. So this is basically a the ice pack along with this cover and the case that can goes easily on the knee, and then you can adjust it based on your size. So it's a good size that you can use. So these are the main ice packs. So you can put in both in the refrigerator or the freezer to make it cool, or you can also microwave to make it little hot, and then you can use. So you can easily put these in this pocket. So two is really helpful that you can put one or you can put both, or you can put one in the freezer, one in this, and then use. So it's up to you how you want to use to increase the time or increase more thing or more thickness. So basically, it's really nice fit ice packs into this comfy temp sleeve. So this is the great Velcro here and the soft material. So this is easy to put on the knee, and then you can adjust the size so one size fits all sort, and then I can easily put on your knee so to give that impact. So I just put in those ice packs so that I can see, and you can adjust the size whatever you want. So it's really a soft material and a nice cooling thing. So adjustable fit and really nice ice packs.